Hi, this is Sudhanshu. You are watching Premium Learnings. If you have a career gap of 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, or even 10 years, and you feel your IT career is finished, this video might completely change how you see your future. Because in 2026, the Indian IT industry is not rejecting people with career gaps anymore. In fact, something very interesting, very surprising is happening. Thousands of companies are hiring people with career gaps, but only those who understand where the industry has shifted. So, in this video, I will show you which are the three key technologies you should target in 2026, some shocking insights that most job seekers don't understand, some common mistakes that destroys comeback attempts, and how you can realistically restart your IT career. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe so that you can get all the amazing insights we are uploading every week. So, first, let's talk about reality. Many people with career gaps believe something like this: companies will reject me because I was away from work. But that assumption is outdated in 2026. Today, companies care about one thing more than your continuous experience, and that is relevant, sellable skills. The reason is simple: technology is changing so fast that even people who are continuously working often becomes irrelevant within 3 to 4 years. So, when companies hire today, they ask one question: Can can this person solve today's problems? If the answer is yes, the gap becomes less important. If you want a career comeback in 2026, these are the technologies where demand is exploding. Number one, Salesforce consulting. I'm not saying Salesforce development as such, but Salesforce consulting. Salesforce is world's largest CRM platform. Along with that, it is one of the best enterprise app development platforms, which is used by thousands of global companies, banks, healthcare companies, telecom companies, e-commerce companies. Everyone runs their customer operations on Salesforce. Everyone runs their enterprise apps on Salesforce. They have 1.5 lakh customers, more than 23% market share, which is a huge thing. That means companies need professionals who understand the business processes, who understand CRM systems, automations, customer data, which is exactly what Salesforce consultants do. And the best part, many Salesforce roles do not require heavy coding. It's a low code, no code platform, making it easier for people returning after career gaps. So even if you are not a programmer, you can learn basics and start your Salesforce consulting career. Second technology which I highly recommend is AI with automation tools. AI is transforming every company, but companies don't only need AI researchers. They need professionals who can implement AI into business workflows. Now, this is important. For example, AI automation tools, AI powered CRM systems, customer support automation, sales intelligence systems. This combination of AI plus automation tools or business process automation is becoming extremely valuable. Third thing which you can focus on is cloud based platforms, or rather simply say cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and even Salesforce ecosystem, where tools are still expanding rapidly. Companies want professionals who understand how business systems can run on cloud infrastructure. So, cloud knowledge combined with business applications creates strong career opportunities. Now, let me share something shocking. Most people with career gaps, they think they need to hide the gap, isn't it? But in many interviews today, a gap can actually become an advantage. Why? Because companies value maturity and clarity. If you can explain your gap honestly and show that you use that time to upgrade yourself, recruiters often see you as someone who is serious about rebuilding their career. So the real question is not why did you have a career gap? The question is what skills did you build during that gap? Now, let me tell you the biggest mistake people make when try to restart their career. They try to learn everything. 1 month AI, next month Python, then data science, then cyber security. This creates confusions instead of expertise. I know many of you have done a lot of courses on online platforms. In the IT industry today, Focused skills win. Someone who understands one ecosystem deeply often gets hired faster than someone who knows 10 technologies superficially. So choose one direction and commit to it seriously. And if I give you a hint, choose a skill set which has a higher billing rate. What do you mean by that? Billing rate means, if let's say if you are hired in TCS and TCS sell you as a human resource to, let's say, some company like Barclays, Barclays will pay some money to TCS on a per hour basis. That is your billing rate. So if your billing rate is high, your salary will become higher. We'll talk more about it in future videos. This is exactly why many professionals today are moving into Salesforce consulting, because of the higher billing rate. Because it combines business understanding, technology, automation, AI integration. It has AI embedded in it. And companies desperately need professionals who bridge business with technology. Over the last few years, many professionals who were stuck in support roles, testing roles, or career gaps have successfully transformed into Salesforce consulting roles. Some of them started with very little technical background. If you want to understand how this transition actually works, I conduct Salesforce Consulting Foundation Masterclass almost every second week, where I explain how the Salesforce ecosystem works, what skills companies actually hire for, how beginners can start from zero, what realistic salary paths look like in this particular industry. So, if you are really serious about making a career comeback in 2026, this masterclass can give you the clarity you need. I'll post the comments in the link. You can join whenever you want. It's absolutely free. You can find the, I can send you a link as well if you want. Just let me know in the comment section. And remember this, a career gap does not define your future. The only thing that defines your future is the skill you decide to build next. So if you found this video useful, share it with someone who needs a career comeback in 2026. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.